man. So you say, tell me where you're going now, really and truly.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Chris Blackwell, I'm my father, man.
Chris Blackwell, your father.
And Princess Diana, my mother.
And your mother. So you was born what?
Born white.
You was born white.
And the Chinese, them do something to my kidney and my liver.
Yeah.
And me get black.
Seen.
And me there around here a few much years now.
Yeah.
And them hide me from my parents. And me big and find out the truth. Go foreign and thing and come back and find out. And them fight me down here.
So I dip them dip you.
I know dip me. And they just trick me. And then me come out and come back one time.
Oh, seen.
And everything.
Seen.
And them trick me.
Oh, trick you?
Yeah, came an immigration system and I'm a youth there and stuff.
See, what you have over there?
We have around 3 youth that came on.
See, them black or them white?
Brown.
Oh, them brown?
Yeah, them brown.
Oh, so none of them come white or black, them come brown. None of them come pink or purple?
No, they come brown.
See.
Brown skin.
See.
Yeah, man.
See. So where they do that now?
I mean, they know that I fight from my food. They don't name my food, they give me a fight. And the Chinese, them.
Yeah, see.
I give me every when me go them and follow me for fight me, if I spend money and fight against me. Every move me move. All them go work and thing, them buy it out.
See, them buy out the work and thing.
Them buy out everything when me go in now.
See.
And them have so much money.
See.
And these people rich, Charles and them are two rich set of people them.
See.
Everything me
so what you supposed to do now?
I'm supposed to do America.
America?
Yeah, or England. I have 2 parents, one come from America, one come from England.
Yeah, so you are going to England yet?
I don't know if me ever, my dreams I'm born in England.
Okay, so what about America?
I don't ever go to America. I don't know if I ever go to America before when I was a child. I don't know if I was been there before when I was a child, or if I was born there.
You was born where?
I think I born in America or England, one of the two.
Okay, so how you reach us, sir?
I don't know, in a ship.
Oh, in a ship? Yeah, Black Star Line or?
Somebody carry me around in a ship.
Oh, somebody carrying a ship.
My mother cousin them from America carrying me around in a ship.
Seen.
That's how me hear the story for true. So my mother cousin them carrying me in a ship around here.
Seen.
I think Charles behind it, my mother husband.
Oh.
Charles and my mother husband.
Oh, seen.
Yeah, Princess Diana husband, Charles.
Seen.
Where do I get that cheap?
So really England you want to forward to back now then?
Well, anywhere. Either England or America, one of the two.
Seen.
One of the two, I have to go back home and come back from Jamaica. From the fight I get, I'm under a fight around here.
Oh, so you're not supposed to be in Jamaica?
I have to leave Jamaica.
You have to leave here?
You have to leave.
So how you leave?
Well, I have to go stand up for justice. So me if I go to the British Embassy or the American Embassy and try to leave Jamaica.
So them know you up there or them supposed to know you?
I have to go there with my parents' picture.
Oh, your parents' picture?
I stand up because I go up on the internet and reach out to them. I'm going to get through that way then.
Oh.
I have the money for to try to get visa.
So you reach out to them, what do you mean? You like, you
send out message to them.
Yeah.
Donald Trump and the rest of them. I send message to the whole.
So Donald Trump too?
Yeah, I send message to
So like come account officer now, how that work?
Well, you don't know. He send me a text saying I talk to Queen Elizabeth to try to help me, but it look like Queen Elizabeth now help me.
Oh, Queen.
And then I text him and him say I help him, I talk, him send me something and show me say I talk to Queen Elizabeth about the situation and world war and everything.
Yeah.
But it seems like Queen Elizabeth now help me.
Seen.
I don't know.
So who you think I will help you?
I feel like the American them help me still, you know.
Seen.
All what go on, you know.
Seen.
Same American or the British.
I'm not here for fight a revolution.
I'm not fight no war, you know. I'm not born to fight the war, you know. There's so much and me one, so I can't go fight a war.
Oh, seen. So we're going to do about the whole thing. That more I know.
Try to get help must out here somewhere.
Yeah.
Because I don't come from around here, so there must be a way.
Oh, you don't come from around here?
You don't come from Jamaica.
Oh, you're not from Jamaica?
And anywhere your father come from, you can say yourself that person. If your father is American, you can say he's American too.
Yeah. If
you carry your father's last name.
Okay, so why your last name?
Well, my last name must be Blackwell too. You can give me a last name by the name of Cousins.
Cousins?
Yeah, which is that is not my last name.
Nothing to do with you?
Nothing to do with me. That's somebody else's name they give to me.
Oh. The wrong baby didn't take up in the hospital then? Or?
I don't know. Trick me some cousin in America, trick me here.
Oh.
My mother cousin them do it, and my father cousin them do it.
Oh, see.
Like something with them in England and them a cousin and them carry me around in some submarine or a ship or what.
Oh, submarine of how, then?
Yeah, or ship. One of the
ship.
Ship or submarine.
Submarine, one of the two of them.
One of the two of them.
See.
And they bring me around here and leave me from that day.
Alright.
And watch me till me turn big man and then they help me.
Oh,
but no, me know the truth.
Oh.
I'm trying to get help now.
Oh, seeing.
Yeah.
Seeing. So you want to forward back to England or America?
Or America. Any one of the two places.
Okay.
Come from the fight at Jamaica, come and get in a fight around here.
Oh, alright. I was saying this everywhere, make everybody know, say, You don't come from around here.
You know, come from, I get a fight.
You get a fight.
Bob Marley, everybody a fight before. Happen to them.
Bob Marley a fight to see you, yeah?
Bob Marley, children.
Oh, children them.
Yeah. Something with Chris Blackwell and them, you know, my father and them. I don't know what go down the line. And a lot of people are giving me a fight to like the Nelson them, and a lot of people were up things happened to in America by when my father was there, Chris Blackwell.
Oh.
So a lot of people giving me a fight when the system, my father was there running the system.
Oh, so your father run the system?
Yeah, it seems come here I get a fight pertaining to that.
So he might run the system now too?
I don't think something my father passed away.
Oh, you think him pass away?
Yeah,
so no family nothing come tell you, you don't get nothing on the wheel?
No, I don't get nothing from the wheel or nothing.
But there's things on the wheel for you?
Yeah, I think so, must be. Must be.
Okay.
Must be.
Alright then.
I'm going to try to go out there and protest one of these days.
Yeah.
At the American or the British Embassy.
Yeah.
To see if I can get some justice or I can get some
help.
Yeah,
I feel I need justice.
Yeah, I get justice.